Hi everyone! My dad and mom pick up the garbage from a neighbor. And there are squishmallows. There are a lot of squishmallows. And also there's a big Hello Kitty.
Maya-maya lamang, hindi pa kami nakakalayo sa pinagpunan namin ng squishmallows na to, natanaw namin na naglabas na ulit ng panibagong basura ang aming kapitbahay. Kaya naman, this time, ang asawa ko naman ang aking pinag-pick up. So ayan, nakikita niya na meron na namang nilabas na basura, kaya pick up na naman. At panibago na naman itong squishmallows. Mamaya, tingnan natin kung ano-ano ang ating mga na-pick up. So, excited na naman siya kasi mukhang may tag pa ang kanyang nakuha. So, yay! Oh, you show it one. Oh, wow, it's so big. This is a tiger. Is this like a Hello Kitty one?
Yeah.
With a red bow.
Yes, it's Hello Kitty.
It's so big. And the other one? What's the pink one?
That's more has a kitty friend. Open this.
Oh, yeah.
And there's more of them.
Okay.
Oh, Daddy, this one looks so cute.
Yeah. And we have this one. This one is a cat. This one looks like a panda.
No, that's a dog.
Oh, this is a dog? Yeah. Okay. This is a crab. Can you show that this can be, that can transform into octopus?
Yeah, that's an octopus.
How do you know that?
Because, wait, your students have that, right? Also your students have that, right? Remember? In Philippines?
Oh, yeah. And this one too. And that one.
That's a hot big fox.
Okay, wow. Wow. At mukhang naka-jackpot din ang aking asawa dahil may napasamang ladies dress. Paalam.